Hello everyone, how are you all doing? You're welcome back in today's video. I believe you are doing perfectly fine. For me, I'm doing perfectly fine. So if you are joining me here for the first time, you're so welcome. I really appreciate your coming. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly hit the red subscribe button so you get notified anytime I upload videos. This channel is about spiritual work, okay, and anything that will help your life spiritually. It's all about two ingredients, two powerful ingredients that will draw money to you. The ingredients are very natural, okay, perfectly natural, and they have spiritual purpose attached to it. So if you want money into your pocket, like if you want something that will draw money into your pocket without anything that will involve rituals, I don't do that in this channel. These ingredients, two ingredients, will help you a lot. It will help your life greatly. If you want to know everything about this video, just keep on watching, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, give it a like, okay? Also, stay tuned for more videos. So today I just decided to stay on my bed, as you can see. So it's all about bringing money to you. But before you do this work, you have to make sure you have something doing. Either you are working or you are a businessman or woman, okay? You have to have something doing for this to work for you. That is something you should consider, okay? And the first ingredient we are going to use here is cinnamon. I don't know if you are familiar with this stick. Do you know this stick? This is cinnamon stick, and here is the powdered cinnamon. Get it? It's a wonderful spice, very good in all rounds. This will help to attract favor, attract love, and attract money, okay? Mostly money. Just as it's smelling so good, this spice is very wonderful. It smells very nice. As it smells beautifully, so nice, that is how it's going to draw money to you. It's going to draw favor, it will draw love to you. You can get these ingredients from food stores. You can get it in the market. It's usually used in seasoning, okay? Very nice. So the next one you should get is salt. Here is a table salt. If you do not have table salt, you can make use of sea salt or any one you can find, as long as it's salt. So salt is highly important and has so many benefits, spiritual benefits attached to it. You just have to make sure you make use of powdered ingredients in this work we are going to do. If you have the stick of the cinnamon, this one I just showed you, you have to turn it into a powder form. And if your salt is blocked, in a blocked form, you have to blend it or crush it into a powdering form like this. You have to get a small amount of cinnamon. You have to get a small amount of salt. Mix it into a separate bowl, both of them. Just mix it up together. After mixing the two powdering ingredients, okay, if you want to add any oil into it, maybe you want to be applying it on your body or use it for any other thing, you have to add olive oil or any other carrier oils you can find, like olive oil, almond oil, oils that you use in cooking alone, okay? I usually love olive oil because it's really nice, but in this work we're going to do right now, you won't have to use any oil, okay? I'm just explaining in case you want to add oil into it, either to lick it or any other purpose. So this work is not only for drawing money, drawing wealth to you. You can use it to draw love and use it to draw anything you want into your life, into your destiny. So why I'm making use of these two ingredients is because it possesses drawing energy. It has drawing energy. So when you apply work into it, like just the way we are doing, when you apply faith and energy, good energy, it will help to make it manifest. First, you must have something doing, just as I said earlier. You must have work or business. Even if it's a little thing you are doing, you must be doing something, because this work is very powerful. You can't just do this work and expect, just stay around expecting money to fall down or people to bring money to you. Yeah, you can use it to draw favor. Favor in case you are not working and you want a job. But if you want it to blow very well, you must have something doing. Next thing you should do is to have a strong energy. Strong energy, good energy attached to this work is very good. That is actually where the power lies. Within you, you must have faith in it for it to manifest very well, okay? So after mixing these two ingredients, the cinnamon and the table salt or any salt, in a separate bowl, maybe you just add like 1 tablespoon of each. Mix it very well. Make sure the powdered ingredients are properly mixed. You start speaking into it, okay? Speak into it, like a prayer. Speak on whatever you want it to do for you. Speak on wealth. You want it to draw wealth into your life. You want it to draw good health. Good health is the most important thing to seek for, because without good health you won't be able to enjoy wealth. After seeking for health or long life, the next thing you should ask for is wealth. Ask for wealth. You need money, you need wealth into your life, you need your business to blow, okay? So you have to pray on that. As you're mixing it, you'll be praying for that. So you have 2 doors, right? An entrance door and the back exit door. So what you do is, after mixing those 2 ingredients, you have to bring small amount of it from the mixtures. You have to bring small, just little amount from them. Then you go to your doorstep, the front door. You just drop some amount of the mixture, spread it just little. You don't need to spread it everywhere for people to notice. Just a little. As you are dropping it, you'll be asking for wealth to come into your house, for wealth to come into your pockets, for wealth to come into your overall, all your doings. The front door, the entrance door, signifies money coming into your life. You're asking money, you're asking wealth to come into your life, okay, through the front door. So after doing so, you go to the exit door. You take small amount of the mixture, you spray it, just drop it on the exit door, praying as you are doing so. As you are doing so, you'll be praying that money should not leave your home. As money is coming in, it shouldn't go out unnecessarily. There are some people that spends without knowing how the money is being spent, okay? This way, you have to pray very well as you are dropping it on the exit door. The money should not leave your hand unnecessarily. You shouldn't spend money without, some people spend money carelessly. So you'll be dropping it and be praying that you shouldn't spend money on unnecessary things, okay? Just be dropping it and be praying for like that. And that will also help to prevent devouring spirits. That even if you want to spend, you should spend it very well. You shouldn't spend it anyhow, okay? So that one is very important. The entrance door and the exit door. The entrance for money to come and stay. And the exit door, money shouldn't leave unnecessarily. That is very important. So that is how to do this, and it will surely work. Very, very important. This is a very strong work. This channel is all about spiritual work, and it has been helping many people, and I believe it will help you also. So apply it into your life. Make sure you have a strong energy while doing this work, and it will be a blessing to you and your family. So that is all for now. I love you all, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Join this family if you have not joined by subscribing, okay? Turn on the bell, because if you don't turn on the bell, you won't get notification anytime I upload videos. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Just remain blessed as always.